I gotta get this stuff off me. I am going to make a mess, and I'm wearing a white shirt. I should have thought this through a little bit better. Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to do what's in my everyday makeup drawer. I've gotten a few new things recently, so I thought it was time to switch things up again and just show you guys what I'm going to be using for the next month. So let's go ahead and start off with the lippies because I just have these out. I'm trying not to pick too many, but you know. There's a few in here that I've kept kind of on repeat because they're just colors that I wear so often, but I've also wanted to mix in some things that I haven't got as much use out of. So let's start off with one of my favorites. This is Too Faced Nude Beach. Whenever I need a nude, this is the color that I go for. It just is really flattering to my skin tone. It's a pinky nude. Next is one that has a little bit more brown to it. I don't think I have anything else quite like this. This is from Bite Beauty. I'm on the verge of a declutter. Like, I'm gonna start doing that like any day now. And I feel like I'm probably gonna get rid of most of my MACs. So I'm gonna put this in here, but it might be getting decluttered soon because I feel like these have been around a really long time and I feel like they're probably not the greatest shape anymore. But this is Pink Pigeon from MAC. I may just keep this one and then declutter it after this month. It is a really, really beautiful pink. I no longer buy MAC because they're not cruelty free. So once I get rid of these, I'm not gonna replace them. All right, next is Blush My Lips. This is from Essence. This is another dark pink, but it's slightly deeper. Next, this is a super fun summer color. This is Westie from ColourPop. It is about as bright pink and kind of with that purple undertone as you can get. And now I'm gonna do a couple of my lip glosses. I just have a couple. One of these is new. This is one I just tried on the other day in my like Get Ready With Me. This is Watermelon Taffy from NYX Candy Slick. It is what I'm wearing today. It's a really great summer color. The only thing I'm unsure about is it feels like there's not really a stopper inside. Like it just kind of like all comes out, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. So if you've tried this, let me know. But it isn't sticky, so it does do what it says, but it's a really pretty summery color. And then these are two diamond lip glosses. One of them is super cheap because it's Shop Miss A. And the other one, this one kind of goes a little bit more purpley, but it's really pretty. This is the Huda Beauty. This is the Lip Strobe. I think I'm getting close to using this one up. And this is a little bit more pinky gold. But these are great lip toppers to put over any other lip color, so they kind of go together. And then I have 4 liquid lipsticks. So 2 of them are from Shop Miss A, the AOA Studios, and one's from Ofra. I know some of you guys do not like the formula of these. I really don't mind them. Where I live, it's humid, so maybe that makes a difference why they don't like bother me on my lips or anything. But these are ones I grab for all the time, especially if I'm going out and I don't want to fuss with the lip color. This one is in Blessed. It's kind of that coral orangey pink. It's just really pretty and super bright. This one is Extra. And this one does dry down a little bit deeper. And this one is Hype. This one I've been wearing a ton lately. This one just goes on so pretty and neutral. It's just like a great everyday color. And the last one from Ofra, I think this one's called Tuscany. I got it in like a BoxyCharm. So that's the deepest of those. It has kind of a plum. So I feel like I've got kind of a good range, a couple deeps, mostly in the pink and coral family. And then with the red, I don't have like a super bright red. Oh, you know what I could throw in here? This one. This is another Bite Beauty. This is in Flambe. I could round it out here. Yeah, see, I'll throw this in the mix. That way, if I need a red, I've got one. So I'm gonna go with all of these for my lippies. And now my arm's covered. And next I'll go into blushes. So I want to do something different. I wanted to kind of get rid of some of the singles and just go for some more of the palettes that I feel like have been a little more neglected. So I've picked 2 and then a cream blush. So this is the Alouette Face Paint. I really, really like this. And I've been liking kind of that dewy, like I'm already going to be kind of sweaty. It's summer. I might as well just go with the dewy glow, right? So I have this, and then I have this Real Her blush kit. I really enjoyed these 2 shades a lot. I believe this one's pretty too. It's just very sparkly. So I've got these blush shades. These are more buildable blushes. And then it's been a while since I've used this City Color blush palette, but this has neutral, hot pink, coral. These are all mattes, so basically I'm good to like mix and match with highlighters and whatever else. So that's what I'm going to do for blushes, just kind of keep it simple and get into some palettes. All right, next for face stuff, I have my Cover FX blurring primer I've been using, and I've got my Pacifica. I repurchased the Pacifica powder. Little Miss has already scratched the top of it, of course. That's in shade 1. I've got my BB cream for AOA Studios. This only lasts maybe a couple hours, but it's great if you're just going to the beach, if you're just running a quick errand, if you don't want to have a makeup day, you know, you just need something real quick. I've got that. Then I've got the Hard Candy Glamouflage Heavy Duty Concealer. I got this in shade light, and it unfortunately is a little lighter than what I was wanting. I am wearing it right now on my chin and under my eyes, but I'm kind of tempted to go back and get one that's a couple shades darker that actually matches more of my skin, because it's definitely brightening, which is good. It just wasn't quite what I was wanting. So we'll see what happens with that. And for eyes, I have my AOA eye primer. I've got 2 mascaras. So I've got my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume and the Essence Volume Stylist. For brows, I've got my IT Cosmetics Brow Power. My eyeliner is somewhere buried under these lipsticks. It's the LA Colors Black Liner. And then I've got my, it's kind of dirty because I've used it. The Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is Light Natural 00. This is the foundation I'm going to be using. And then I've been really into like the cream contour thing, and I've been using the e.l.f. palette. Then I remembered that I had this Tarte Glow Pro Glow palette. I saw like BoxyCharm this past month was doing one with the blush, and I was like, oh, I have one of those without the blushes. And I was like, so contour cream, contour powder, and all these highlighters. So that is going to be my highlight and contour. Keeping it simple, going with a lot of palettes. I'm excited to, like, you know, give something else some love. And then for my palettes, I have this new Belle Jordan palette that I've already shown. It's beautiful. If you guys want to see my thoughts on this, I do have a total get ready with me / review on this already. And then this has a lot of warm colors, and so I was like, you know what can I choose that has some more like basics? So I'm gonna go with the classic chocolate bar. And last time I used this, it was just okay. I feel like it's getting a little dried out, so that way I can kind of test it, see if it's still good, see if it's something I need to declutter. But it's got this nice creamy matte, and it's got some of these transition shades that aren't so warm. I mean, they're a warm brown, but in comparison, like, I'll swatch this. Like, this is like orangey, and see how like those are completely different when it comes to transition. So I feel like this will be a good complement to this, so I can kind of ground some of my looks with a little bit more brown instead of having it just also warm, because like that's what I have on my eyes today, and it's a very warm kind of look. So I think that's everything. I don't think I missed any drawers here. So that's what's going to be in my everyday makeup drawers for the rest of this month and into next month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!